Savior Jesus, he was born on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night, in a manger so adorned, on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night. So tell all the children, boys and girls, on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night, all will sing joy to the world, on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night.
Happy holidays to you.
Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15.
Alright guys, we're gonna work out today.
It's a tornado.
Oh yeah, in a tornado. Whoa, looking rough. It was leg day today, and we hadn't done leg day in like 3 weeks. So it got us good. Merry Christmas and happy holiday.
Yeah.
I just got my birthday gift from Sephora. We just bought stuff, but we're still looking.
I need something for this girl over there.
Oh. We're trying on rings. And hold on, let it focus.
I was gonna put it for
Okay.
the one.
We're kind of feeling this one.
Where's the one?
Rectangle. I love this one. Uh-huh.
But this doesn't work.
Oh, cute. She's drinking from her purse. Alright, now we're at Dick's Sporting Goods. Let's see what we find in here. I don't think we've ever vlogged in here. Look what we found.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour.
We're at Jade's favorite spot.
You get a whole. She gets a whole one. I'll buy her one thing, anything in the store.
Is there a limit on the price?
Yeah, the limit is not shoes.
Oh, she made it.
Bruh, why she kind of good?
You saw that?
She was slacking.
We're in the Nike section. Jade's checking it out.
I'm wrapping it up. It's her other half. Remember I said I needed to get her something else? This is it.
Dang.
Wow.
Unos chorcitos. Jade picked out her prize. Look who we met. Look who we met. Patrick Mahomes.
That man's a giant.
So it smells like smoke outside. Probably there's like a fire in Kansas City, Kansas because of this tornado weather. Anyways, I'm hungry, so I think we're gonna get food. Also, it's 9:38. Alright, we're gonna end the vlog here. Emily already is going inside.
She's gone.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.